Hello people, today I wanted to show to you studio easel what I bought of Facebook Marketplace. Today I wanted to show you sketching board, one of the important utility what I use with studio easel. This thing has metal clip so you can attach your sketch. I wish I could do by both hands. I think this costs £11, but I find it useful when you work, when you have massive easel. Easel I bought for £30, studio easel, but a sketching board you can get off eBay for £11. I will show you. You lift up little bit that metal clip, so I cannot do by both hands. You lift this up and you can attach your paper, and you also have this thing you can hold, and I like very much this because I used with my old easels, but that easel is perfect. It's a little bit taller than me. I will show you some screws for adjustment. It will not be as bright. I don't have, I should really use flashlight to show to you, because I have flashlight. GoPro isn't really good with low light environment. You can see some screws for adjusting easel. On the back we have screw. This thing is massive when it comes to size. Also I wanted to show to you screw on the back of easel. I know my room is tiny, but I'm a little bit smaller than the easel long. But I wanted to mainly talk about sketching board. You can buy this off eBay for £11. I hope that you find it useful, people. Have a nice day.